Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 20,000 plus logos included. One are some files for Adobe After Effects, and other files are in PSD, EPS, AI, and some files in a e-file for Adobe Illustrator, but these are protected. You need subscription for password access. You need subscription for all access of graphic template. This is lifetime subscription in this price. You can also download application from Google Play Store. After subscription, you see this type. Just click and show password, and then you can extract every file from my website. Okay. Here 100 with different categories logo. Okay, you can customize in Adobe Illustrator, EPS and the AI file, DX file for InDesign, I think. Next, logo for Photoshop. You see the preview file of these products, logo. Okay. Here a 3D gloss window logo mockup. You can import any design in this mockup for make professional. Amazing. You see, you can modify it color in Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Same thing in digit. Okay, next 28 colors mode on shape. Here three different categories, one PSD, AI and APS. You see. Okay, I know you know how to customize or how to change color in Photoshop or in Adobe Illustrator. Open this one, for example, extract layer, here group. You see, same thing. These are shape you can customize. Now, next 432 black and white modern shape. Same thing in three different categories: AI, APS, JPG for just preview, and last PSD. Amazing. Brand logo. Oh, vector files, alphabets, clip art, corner. Depend your own design choice. You can use anything in these logos. Wow. Kitchen design. Oh, these are zip. You need extract, for example, fresh dairy milk. Oh, SVG, DXF and APS. Yeah, boutiques for dresses. Here logo bundle. Hula. I think this is Spanish language. Hula or hello. Logo creator. B card, that's mean business card. Marble design. Next Lego mega bundle A2K. Here logo, and in these file font links are font name with download link. You can also download link. Same thing here. Preview California. logo. You can customize anything in Adobe Illustrator or do Photoshop here, Photoshop, and these things for Adobe Illustrator. Oh, these are PNG, just drag and drop on your t-shirt design. Oh, Vantage Coffee Illustration Kit. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. You need subscription for access of my any data. Take care of this.